better. Yeah, it's so beautiful to work outside in nature. But it's not always easy. Yeah, so I think I survived it again. Oh, I had to choose. But there was the thunder coming very fast. And you can hear it still, but I think it left now. I went to the bushes, which is very dangerous, I heard, but at least they are much higher than I am. And I didn't feel like staying out in this really heavy rain. So, but I must say I'm happy that it passed. But now we're completely wet, of course. And this is the day that I don't have the car. That's the best place to be, in the car when it's a thunderstorm. In the end, I did decide to lie down in the reeds because this is not fun. So what to do when there's a thunderstorm? Take care that you're not the highest point in your surroundings. Oh, but that's not so easy when you're in an open area. And then I thought it's over, but it wasn't over, so it's very close. So what not to do is to sit under a tree. And to just lie down. And now it sounds like it's a bit more peaceful, but it was really close. Okay. Better.